We begin to read Eduardo Porter's What Happiness Is. Remember to take a look at his bio that's provided for you, and you'll see it on the first page right here in italics. And just skimming through some key things, it gives you his year of birth, as well as the fact that he was born in Phoenix, Arizona, the fact that he's the son of a Mexican mother, American father, so he's biracial and he's Hispanic, as you can see, and had lived some time in Mexico City. And as you go down further, you'll see some more of his credentials and what he's done. The fact that he's worked for America Economia, I should say, and then the Wall Street Journal, even the New York Times. So you can see that he's had a prestigious journalism career and connected to journalism. And so anyway, also you'll see right here something that's key is that his book, The Price of Everything, Solving the Mystery of Why We Pay What We Do, you'll see that what is provided right here is actually out of the chapter. It's titled The Price of Happiness. It's actually a chapter from that, and so that might be something to think about. So it's not its entirety, but this is what's called an excerpt right here. And so just some key things to keep in mind. Also, too, I would just remind you of a few things as well, is that you don't have to worry about, you can look at this for yourself if you want to, as well as the questions at the end. However, you're not expected to do any kind of journal entry or even to complete the questions at the end of the essay that come about at the last page of the essay that's in this textbook, unless you're instructed to do so. And then I would also encourage you as well, as you read, to go ahead and take a look at the rubric for any one of the essays for our class, because you'll see commonalities. Even though each essay has a different task, there will be some key features that resonate throughout or recur among the essays that you want to be mindful of. So you want to be mindful of those terms that apply both within the essays that you write, but also the essays that you read for this class. And then finally, something else I would encourage you to consider as well is the fact that in the Models for Writers textbook, starting on page 651 of the 12th edition, you have the glossary of useful terms. So you do want to get familiar with some of the terms that are associated with essay writing, as again, they will be very helpful not just for what you read, but also, not just for what you write, but also for what you read.